Alrighty, today we're moving the 120 in the Mack, and I'm going to tell you right now, it does not go to plan today. Not even close. You're going to see why here in just a little bit. But hey, got them flags in though, huh? So step one is going to be fill that track up with fuel. We're going to back up to the fuel island. Then we'll get the truck turned around. We'll top that truck off with fuel. Alright, here's driveway on the left, right there. That's where we're trying to back into. I went down the road, turned around. We're going to try to back into here. The county just paved this road, so we're trying to offload equipment in the driveway, not tear up this fresh pavement. There's a really, really hard bank on this turn, and I'm very aware that frame locking is a possibility here. So I'm just trying to be super gentle and find the right path in. Had a hard time doing it this way. Comes a tractor around the corner, of course. Went down the road, turned around. Wanted to try it the other way. So here's what's going to happen, okay? I'm just going to give you a spoiler alert. I drop a tire, but I think I've got a good path, so I keep going. I end up frame locking, and then that's it. Camera goes off, and the next thing you're going to see is me trying to recover the trailer. Once I frame locked, I blocked the county road. There were cars stopped. I didn't really have time to get video footage. Hey, sorry that you're in a delay, but I'm trying to get a good video for YouTube. Didn't seem like a good possibility. Not kidding. Some guy even stopped and got out and just stood in the yard and watched me. He wanted to know where he could buy tickets to this show because it was going to be a good one. All right, here we go. Listen close. So the one, I'm not even going to call it an upside. The one thing that worked out okay is that where the trailer was at after it frame locked, I was able to get the track hoe off. I was able to then use the track hoe and do a couple moves and get it straightened back out without twisting or tearing anything up. Backed up enough to get the cars through on the county road, and then came back and did a second move, which is what you're watching here. I was comfortable enough to set the camera back up at this point since people could get through on the county road. And then got the trailer swung back over on the driveway. Listen, I'm going to be honest, I was really debating even putting this video up. It really hurts my pride. I hate when this kind of stuff happens, but I promised myself when I made this channel, it was going to be the real me. I'm not going to be somebody who edits the videos just to make myself look good. You're going to get the real me each and every time, and sometimes the real me makes mistakes. So that's what happened here. All I know to say is you got to keep paddling, keep moving, keep whatever. Just keep going forward, and eventually you'll get where you're going. It was a bummer of a day, but the equipment got delivered. Nothing got tore up too terribly bad. I don't know, that's all I can say about it, I guess. I appreciate you guys bearing with me on this one. There is one more clip coming up, and that's just the honest live reaction of whenever it happened. So, here we go.
Alright, so I lost you there for a minute. God, I did stupid things. Stupid things. Trying to back into this driveway that roads on a curve there. It's kind of hard to tell, but the bank's hard that way, and I was trying real hard not to frame lock. Daggone it, I wasn't paying attention. I dropped my steer tire right into that freaking ditch. Right in that ditch over there. Frame locked it. I wasn't lined up where I needed to be in the driveway, but I didn't want to start twisting around on the frame. So I just backed up straight best I could. I was able to offload in this ditch, luckily. Messed up their yard a little bit. We're going to have to come back and fix that. Man, I just feel like an idiot. I feel like such a daggone idiot right now.
Alright, I think you guys have a pretty good idea of what my mood was at that moment in time. So, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate all the comments you guys are leaving. Keep them coming. A lot of new subscribers, so thanks for you guys that have just subscribed. Appreciate you guys tagging along for this journey. If this is the first one of my videos you've seen, well, you are welcome. If you haven't seen the rest of them, stop by the channel, take a look. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Surely it'll be smoother than this one, right? It's gotta be.